for the luggage, I recommend getting some sturdy bags with good wheels and good protection. Like these bags, they've got these steel caps on the sides. The other bags that you need is this shoulder bag. This is really good when you know, to take some water or put your slippers in and things like that. So this will be very useful. And this bag here is a money belt kind of a bag, and this can be used as a ihram belt for men. And this bag is very useful because it can hold your mobile phone and your wallet and some cash in here. And also this, I usually put the tasbih for tawaf in here, so that, you know, when you've got your ihram on, obviously you're wearing this and you've also got that tasbih there. So this is the only baggage you need for Hajj.